Johor Bahru by evening. This is the pasarmalam or night market just being set up. Johor Bahru, Malaysia by night. All kinds of things on sale. Knickknacks, shoes, food and drink, fruits. A walk through the pasarmalam night market here in Malaysia. Life in the Matrix. Isn't it wonderful? It can be. Rambutan. 10 ringgit for grapes. More knickknacks. Bags. Torn jeans. Belts. This is JB Sentral, Johor Bahru Central area. Fine weather. Not too hot. Quite pleasant actually. Best thing is no rain. This would be a mess. It was raining. That's weird. I thought that was a real cat. It's a stuffed toy. All a part of the night market. Lots of clothing options. Perfumes. More shoes. Street food.
Anak minat macam alamak. Boleh ke minat ni?
Thai halal food. Just a walking tour on this nice evening. Just to show you sounds and light. It's not what I meant to say. Sights and sounds. There you go. After a long day, my brain stops working. So many things here to explore in Malaysia. Of course, I'm on a very short trip this time. And this is even more down to earth kind of shopping. Quite corny, and I apologize. Heading towards the area where we can get some nice food options. Tattoo studio. Like a typical outdoor cafe with lots of food options. Some barber shops. Nasi ayam. It's chicken rice. There's a tandoori house. Arab shawarma. I am Penyet. I am Gibrek. This is all Malay food. Nasi lemak, mee rebus bakso. That's Indonesian Malay food. Okay, I think we're gonna sit here and have dinner. I'll see you all later. Ciao for now.